Your website should act like a 24/7 salesperson. If it's slow, confusing, or missing trust signals, you're paying to lose leads. Here's a quick conversion makeover. First, speed. If your site takes more than 3 seconds to load, many visitors bounce. Compress images, remove heavy sliders, and keep the design clean. Second, clarity above the fold. In the first screen, visitors should see what you do, where you do it, and how to contact you. Add a big click to call button and a get quote button. Third, proof. Add real photos, a rating badge, 2 short testimonials, and your warranty or guarantee. People need reassurance before they hand over keys or a device. Fourth, frictionless booking. Use a short form with only what you need: name, phone, service needed, and preferred time. Longer forms kill conversions. Fifth, answer objections with an FAQ, pricing ranges, parts quality, turnaround time, and what happens if you find extra issues. Finally, track everything. Install analytics and set up call clicks and form submits as conversions. Otherwise, you're guessing. Also add a how it works section in 3 steps: diagnose, approve, repair. Simple process language builds trust fast.